Hello, my name is Jerry Feliz, and today we are covering speech recognition. This is the comprehensive speech recognition for Windows 10. They have done a fantastic job with this update and with this technology in general. I've been very impressed and looking forward to sharing that with you. Press Windows tab. Took us to the task view. Tab. 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 Press tab. Press tab. Press tab. Press tab 10 times. Press shift tab 5 times. Press shift tab twice. Press tab. Press tab. Press shift tab. Press arrow right. Arrow right. Press arrow right. Press enter. Press Control Alt Tab. Press tab. Press Windows tab. Press shift tab. Press enter. So this will navigate us between desktops. When you open task view, you'll see multiple desktops open. Press Windows tab. I can navigate those either by pressing Control, Windows, left arrow or right arrow. Press escape. This is my document here, and I actually demo how to open up the document. Close window. Open PowerPoint. Press tab 10 times. This will open up the document. Scroll up. Scroll down. Scroll up. Scroll down. Open mouse grid. 4. 4. Left click. Scroll up. Scroll down. Scroll up. Scroll up. Scroll up. Scroll down. Scroll down. Scroll down 2 pages. Scroll down 3 pages. Scroll down 3 pages. Scroll down 3 pages. Scroll up 1 page. Stop listening. The best thing to do when you're getting started is to go into the Windows search function here, type in control panel. That's the best way to get to all of the beginning options to your reference card as well. So you want to type in control panel. All right, come up here and access control panel. So just hit enter. Speech recognition right there. So I'm gonna zoom out so everybody can see and go here and review this really quickly before I go back to the PowerPoint. So I'm gonna zoom in. You can set up your microphone. You can start speech recognition, which is what I did. And this is the speech recognition menu here and your actionable button here. You could just select there and it will get that going for you. There's, go to sleep, wake up, start listening, stop listening. Those are those commands to get that going. Okay. So let me get back to that window. So Control, Windows, left arrow. That'll take me here. So start speech recognition, set up microphone, take speech tutorial. You definitely want to do that, and then train your computer to better understand you. You definitely want to do that. And the more practice you get on that, the more you familiarize, the more the system familiarizes itself with your voice, the better outcomes you'll get. So I'm going to click on here for our open the speech reference card. And I covered this in previous sessions. I'm just going to scroll really quickly through the different commands. You have navigation commands, you have editing commands, you have actionable commands. So for instance, press enter will be like an actionable command, or select will be an actionable command. And these are also key phrases. So just get familiar with select, open, show. These are some of the key phrases. The close command as well is a good, like close window is a good command to know. So these are some key phrases. So I'm going to toggle back here and I'm going to close out of this, but that's how you want to get started with it. Type in control panel and then go from there. So I'm going to click on PowerPoint and come back up here and just review the commands. So I'm going to click here to get going again. I can also do a Windows tab. So if I say press Windows tab, that'll get me to task view. But if I say press Alt tab, that'll take me to the next tab. Press Alt tab. It'll navigate me between open tabs in that particular desktop. If I say Control Alt tab, it'll get me to all of my open tabs and I'll leave it up. And again, this is what you would do manually, but now they've added it to speech recognition, and all of these are navigation commands. I'm just very impressed with the navigation commands. Press enter. Press Control Alt tab, tab, Shift tab, tab, press Shift tab, press Shift tab, goes back a tab, press enter. Press Control Alt tab, 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 enter. So these would be some of our navigation commands. Let's do another exercise, show desktop. What's nice, you can actually say, press Windows 1, press Windows 2, press Windows 3, press Windows 4, press Windows 5. What's happening, it's opening up all of your tabs here that are set up on your task area here, from your start menu to your task area here. And so, for instance, if I say open Windows 2, it'll open Windows 2. Close window, press Control Alt tab, tab, okay, spacebar. You can also use spacebar as an enter function. So this is my email. If I want to do an email, which is a good exercise to do, close window, open Outlook, press down arrow, press down arrow, press up arrow, press up arrow, press spacebar, press enter. So you see, open up my email, press Control Alt spacebar. Press Control Alt Spacebar. Close window. Press down arrow. Press Control N. Jeremiah Feliz. Tab. Back. Press tab. Press tab. Press tab. This is a test. New line. This is only a test. Comma. We are looking to send an email using speech recognition. Period. New paragraph. I hope this brief tutorial has been helpful. Period. Press Alt S. That sent it. So that's how you'd send an email using your speech recognition software and Outlook. Another command that I often use is Windows right arrow. Press Windows right arrow. Press Windows left arrow. Press Windows up arrow. Press Windows down arrow. Press Windows left arrow. Press Windows down arrow. Press Windows down arrow. That'll keep the tab in the background. It's still there, but it's in the background. And you can do a split screen that way. And obviously you can do that with your Windows keys physically. But now the person who needs speech recognition is able to navigate their environment. Let me just check the PowerPoint and then I'll close this brief intro to this subject here of speech recognition and some basic navigation commands, and just a brief introduction. Real quick on the distinction between the different speech recognition functions. There's a speech recognition feature that it's more like a dictation function. That's something that functions more like your iOS device, and you hit the microphone and then it'll do some dictation for you. Whereas this, and you're looking specifically for, as I mentioned earlier, this menu here, this menu here will give you comprehensive speech recognition. All right, let me just go back to the PowerPoint and then we will finish from there. Hopefully this little review has been helpful. This update that they've done, these improvements that they've done in Windows can have enormous value to our clients. I think I mentioned this earlier. One of the nice features when you're doing the training, if you have no vision or low vision, you can use a combination of the speech recognition with narrator. So narrator would read the text to you, and then you can speak into the training module for the voice to become more familiar with you as the user. I'm going to go to slide 11 now and 12, and then we will close. Speech recognition, commands, navigation. Some of this looks a little different because the speech recognition when I was talking changed some of this. Press is a specific key you want to get familiar with. It's a key phrase, i.e. press enter. We've done that. It'll make it actionable. Open key phrase, word will open up a application. Press tab moves the focus, one item. Tab with number, so tab 3 times will move it 3 items or move your focus 3 items or 3 locations. Stop listening, start listening, wake up. These are your listening commands, okay? Go to start document, go to start. Again, those are helpful commands as well. And this would be an editing command. And the reference card, will give you all of these. These are some of the ones I found most helpful.